Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about how to choose a graphics card, your 2021 buying guide. Let's head into it. The ultimate GPU guide. Purchasing a graphics card should not be a tough process to complete. However, due to a combination of rising demand and limited availability, it might appear to be a near impossible task nowadays. If you don't want to pay a lot of money for the newest silicon, this is very important to keep in mind.
A graphics card is one of the most important parts of your PC.
No point in avoiding the issue. Demand is strong, and supply is limited at the present time. A graphics card this year requires you to be one step ahead of the competition. Know what you're talking about, and look in the appropriate areas. Finding the most worthy graphics card at any price is critical for gaming performance, as it's the primary source of power for the computer's graphics processor. For most people today, that means either an nvidia GeForce RTX 30 series, or an AMD Radeon RX 6000 series graphics card. There are several to pick from, ranging from the entry-level RTX 3060 and RX 6700 XT to the ultra-powerful RTX 3090 and RX 6900 XT, and there are plenty to choose from. So choose your battles wisely. Knowing which of today's top GPUs you're looking for can assist you in locating any accessible stock. Although casting a broad net and going for any old Ampere or RDNA 2 chip is entirely okay, it will result in less opportunities to purchase. It will also need a significant amount of time to manually go through each store's webpage. If you concentrate your efforts and your concentration on pursuing a single graphics card, you may have a better chance of finding a replacement without tearing your hair out. Furthermore, there are rumblings that GPU-based cryptocurrency mining may be on its way out, with a crackdown in China leading to used GPUs entering the secondary market as a result of the crackdown. If this becomes a widespread practice, the question will arise: should I purchase a second-hand GPU? When it comes to mining cards, it's like paying a true lottery, and our first inclination would be to stay away from them. The chances of finding a nearly new RTX 3070 on eBay are little to none. If a deal appears too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Also, make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section.
When you're shopping for a GPU, you'll be choosing between two manufacturers, nvidia and AMD.
Where to buy a graphics card in the US right now? NVIDIA's RTX 30 series GPUs will be restocked by Best Buy. Only one of them will be available per client, and they will only be accessible in-store. You'll want to arrive earlier in the day if you want to have the best chance of acquiring one, since these cards will only be available for purchase starting at 8 AM local time. The GPU Restock Monitor has compiled a list of the predicted graphics card availability, as well as the locations where you may get them. Now that the AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT graphics card was released in August 11, it's been a few weeks, but strangely enough, there's still some stock available on the RDNA 2 graphics card accessible. Rather of offering a reference card this time around, AMD is instead offering a wide selection of third-party designs. Some are quite close to the card's $380 MSRP, while others are far less. We would advise avoiding the latter option, unless you're very desperate and don't mind spending a lot of money. I can see at least one model of the RX 6600 XT available in the US at Best Buy for around $70 above the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Personally, I believe that's an excessive amount to spend for a GPU of this kind, but it's not the worst markup you'll find on a graphics card in 2021 by any means. Where to buy a graphics card in the UK right now? Once again, the RX 6600 XT looks to be the most straightforward GPU to locate on the market nowadays. As previously stated, AMD is not offering a reference version of its new graphics card, which means you'll have to shop around for the card that best suits your needs at a price that's near the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Aside from that, Scan UK presently sells a small number of high-end nvidia GPUs, all of which are prohibitively expensive. Having said that, the company has lately provided supply of highly sought-after cards at a little lower price as recently as last week. Keep a watch out for the next price decrease, which may happen at any time. Something to keep in mind: NVIDIA RTX 30 series cards are typically emerging more frequently in the UK than AMD's RX 6000 series cards, which is a good thing. What do you think about this GPU guide? Was it helpful? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.